I heard you were looking for a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Well, I won't keep you waiting too long. You've come to the right place. I am so excited to show you my pink and red inspired makeup look for you to look your best self this Valentine's Day. It's literally a week away, so let's get started, shall we? I can't believe Valentine's Day is coming up. As of right now, I don't have any plans. I don't know what I'm doing. I definitely am not gonna go on a date, cause what I thought I was, turns out I'm not. And that's okay, that's okay. Oh, this year I thought it might be the year I get a date. I get a boyfriend. No, I mean, it could be the year. It's just not around Valentine's Day. I'm pretty bummed, but what can I do? What can I say? Am I gonna keep saying that it's okay? Cause, I mean, it is okay, but not fully okay, because I fully wanted to go on a date on Valentine's Day. But maybe next year, maybe by the end of this year I'll get a boyfriend. By Valentine's Day of next year, then maybe he'll take me on a date. I had to take off my sweater. It was getting a little too hot in here. I was like, I don't want that for me, so let me just leave my white shirt on. And starting off, I am going in with this Maybelline Super Lock eyebrow gel. I love a good eyebrow gel. This one is not my fave, but I'm still use it. I think I don't really like it because it sort of leaves my eyebrows feeling very oily, and I don't think it locks them in as much or as well as my other eyebrow gels. It's not like I'm gonna actually go out tonight. I just came back from work, but I was like, let me film this video because this is actually how I'm gonna do my makeup for Valentine's Day. Wherever I go, they will see me with this makeup look. I'm gonna go with my Say concealer. I need something for my eyelids. And I usually just put this so it can be sort of like a primer for my eyeshadow that's gonna go on top. Now this is where the fun part starts. I'm gonna go in with my Powerpuff Girls eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette because there's so many colors in here. And if you already know what Valentine's Day is full of, is red and pink. So I'm gonna go in with the top pink shade right here. The glitter is gonna be this one right here. Let's hope this turns out good. Here. I feel like I need some music. Like I'm a vibe to something. Wow. That's really crazy. I just like put so much and just blend it in. Ooh, that looks good. Let me do the same thing to the other side. I'm excited for Valentine's Day. Now I'm talking about, oh, I want a boyfriend. But you know what? A Galentine's with this look would kill. I'm excited. Pinkish shade. Like, it's very light, so we'll see how it looks like. Whoa. This is good. That looks so freaking good. And we're done with eyeshadow now. I'm not going to add anything else. I'm also going to be using the last bit of Say Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer. And I got it in shade 5. As you can tell, I don't have much in here, but I want to try to use the last bit of it for this makeup look. It might be fully out. No! Yay! There's still some in here. I might have to fully squeeze it out. I'm so sad. I might have to go buy one before Valentine's Day, because I'm like, I'm fully running out. And I fear that if I buy it online, it might not arrive on time. So I might be going to Sephora soon. Next, I will be going in with my Rare Beauty bronzer stick. Don't ask me what the shade is because it doesn't show at the back anymore. But this is like a very dark bronzy color. And oh my god, how am I almost out of every single product? Look how much I have left. That's literally it. I thought I had more. That's a sign to go to Sephora soon because I haven't been in a minute. And I usually put it up here. Let's get to blending. That's real crazy. I'm literally out of almost all my makeup products. Like literally out of my favorite skin tint. That's my only skin tint that I have, literally running out or already out. And then almost out of my bronzer. I believe I have one in my closet drawer. I don't know. We'll figure that out. This right here is the part I'm nervous for, because I'm going in with this Rare Beauty red blush. I'm nervous. It's super red. The shade is Grateful. And if you know anything about Rare Beauty blush, it's that you don't need to put a lot because it's very pigmented. So I'm like frightened right now. I'm scared. I'm gonna have my mirror very up close because I'm scared to ruin this. Ah! Why is this so scary? Let's see. Ah! I feel like that's already a lot. Cool. So I put literally one dot. This side is gonna be worse. Okay, this isn't as bad. I might need a little more. I might need a little more. This side might be a little worse. Okay, it's still not bad at all. One. Ah! It feels like a lot. So, do I look crazy? I look a little crazy now. What if I just went out in public like this? Do you think people will look at me funny? This is definitely blush blindness. Like, this was what I was afraid of. This is crazy. What is going on? This is what I didn't want. I think I should have stopped when it was less than this. I think we can fix this. I'm gonna set it now with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I love this one. I'm just gonna set it all up. I'm gonna grab one of my makeup palettes and just make sure it's all dried up. I'm nervous now. This is crazy. Imagine I just called this my makeup look. No, 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 no. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder in Brightening Translucent. I hope this is able to help. I think how I can fix this is add a little bit of concealer to my blush. Mainly here. I also want to put some on the bottom here. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think that looks way better. It was super overpowering. I hope I don't kill it, but I'm adding this House Labs pink blush in Hibiscus Haze. I'm just gonna dab it in here and put a little bit on. Let's go in with mascara because that will kind of put everything together. I go in with this Sky High Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This has been working for me for the past month or so, and I've been really liking it. I think I made my like bottom part of my face very ashy, and now it's like setting really weird. I just know this mascara is gonna make my makeup eat, despite this almost being a fail. I can't believe it. This mascara always makes my little lashes look big, beautiful, and voluminous. I didn't believe the girlies when they were talking about this mascara. I thought y'all were joking, and I've been using it and I'm like, I can't even put it down. Like, it's that good. Right now I have a Bad Bunny song stuck in my head. Estoy bien loco. Estoy bien loco. Can't wait for him to kill it in the Super Bowl. Come on. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray just to set this bottom part so it doesn't look too bad here. And the same thing on this side. This is your reminder that if you're gonna wear the Rare Beauty blush, to not put a lot because it's so scary. I almost messed up my whole look. The other thing that I forgot to put is setting powder on my forehead. I love it! Oh my god! I forgot. This is what I forgot. My e.l.f. lip oil in shade Princess Cut. How did I forget to add this gorgeous color? Yeah, you see that gloss? Let's add a little bit more. Now this is it. Now this is the final look. I'm finally done with this makeup look. But I'm so glad that I could film this video, give you all a little inspo and a little insight of how I'm gonna do my makeup for Valentine's Day. I'm glad I tried this out and didn't try it out on Valentine's Day. Imagine that. But I'm glad you guys can learn from my mistake, and don't put too much Rare Beauty blush. You hear me? But I hope you enjoyed. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. Even if I don't got a man, it's okay. I love my girls. I get to spend time with fam, and I get to love and get to be loved by Jesus, most importantly. So it's okay. I'm living, I'm still here, and one day I will be loved by a man of God. Yeah, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.